Hi everyone, welcome back to Box's YouTube channel where we do unboxing, reviews and product demos on the latest tech. Today we'll be reviewing a Thrustmaster Hotas Warthog Joystick and Throttle. In the box we have the manual, base of the joystick, top of the joystick and the throttle and control panel. Assembly was really straightforward as the throttle and control panel were already set up and the joystick just needed to be screwed into place. The design on this is incredible as it's pretty much an exact replica of the A10 Hotas, which really helps to blur the line between gaming and reality. Although you can buy the parts separately, I feel that having both together helped to give a really full and realistic effect. Everything on this is designed to make the experience as lifelike as possible, and the build quality on the products are great. The materials on the joystick feel really premium and sturdy, as the detachable handle is crafted entirely of metal and the metal plate is also detachable for desk or cockpit style use, depending on what you'd prefer. I think the sizing on the joystick was good. It was a little bit large for me, but I think for most people it will be the perfect size. On the joystick we have the new Heart technology, which features 3D magnetic sensors, 16-bit resolution and a 5-coil spring system. Controls felt firm and fluid, and Thrustmaster says it has no dead zones, giving brilliant precision control. This joystick has 19 action buttons in total and one 8-way point of view hat. When you combine this with the realistic pressure on buttons and triggers, it gives an experience that's as realistic as what you would actually get on the inside of a plane. On the replica dual throttles, we also have the Heart technology and 3D magnetic sensors, and we have 14-bit resolution on each throttle with sharp precision. There are also a range of controls with 17 action buttons in total, one mouse hat with a push button and one 8-way point of view hat. And you can adapt the throttle control to the type of aeroplane you're playing. When it comes to the control panel, we have a slightly weighted base at 3 kilos, which was perfect as it stayed in place and didn't move around at all when using. Then we have another 15 action buttons, one trim wheel and a variety of push buttons. The buttons are also backlit, which is brilliant as it means gaming can be just as enjoyable at night time. Of course, we have Thrustmaster's target software, which allows you to configure a range of settings, and it's really easy to use as you can simply drag and drop to set your different programming levels. Overall, this is a brilliant flight simulation accessory. The controls were precise, the build quality is excellent, and the abundance of buttons and switches helps you to get way more immersed in a game. Plus, it's designed to make the gaming experience as realistic as possible, with the fact that it's almost an exact replica, both appearance-wise and with pressure on the buttons, which I thought was brilliant. What do you guys think? Make sure to let us know in the comments below, and if you have any questions, pop them down and we'll be happy to get back to you. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.